Hello, everyone. So this is Math 1272. Our course type is online and asynchronous. So it means that every week I will post my course recording on Canvas. In general, I will post our course at the beginning of this week. You can watch my recording when you are free, but you have to finish your watch on that week because following week you have to study the new material. So my name is Bo Zhu. I'm from China. This is my email. If you have any question, you can send me an email. So I'll try my best to reply your question as soon as possible. So then our office hour, I will tell you maybe later this week. In general, I will schedule the office hour, on Thursday or Friday, because, after I post the recording, you first watch the video and finish, do the homework if you have any question, and then you come to my office hour. So one thing about the office hour, after we schedule the time, before you come to office hour, please first send me an email. Okay, please send me an email if you want to come to my office hour. So I think my office hour should be kind of 2 hours. Okay. So the course material is early, the Stephen James Calculus 2. So about the textbook, if you don't want to buy this textbook, that's okay. So I will not use the engage a lot. I will write the homework myself, and I will post my lecture notes on Canvas. It's kind of even, if you look at this course, when you are registering this course, the textbook is required. But, I do more work. You don't have to buy the textbook. Okay. So I think everyone cares about the grading, right? So our grading table includes 3 or 4 parts. First part is about the homework. Homework is with 20%. For the homework problems, I will not grade any homework problems. However, you are required to write all homework problems to understand the material. Okay, if you miss any one of I will not grade the homework, but you have to submit the homework on Canvas. Okay, because I want to push you to study and finish the homework and get some practice. Okay, if you miss any one problem, I will assume that you intentionally want to write less. So you will lose half of the score of each time. I will not grade the homework, but I will offer the final answer for the homework problem. When I give the solution for the homework problems, I will not give you detail. You will only have the final answer. Okay. So I hope you guys, can, just to figure out the problem. If you cannot do that problem or cannot figure out the details for the problem, you can come to my office hour. Okay. Okay, this is about the homework. I probably will have 10 homeworks. Okay, you can check the Canvas. Okay, and then about the discussing it with 5%. So you may say, what's the discussing? Because our course is recording, right? It's not the kind of lecture it's not a candle. I'm lecturing, and you are here. So this part is kind of every week I will, set up a topic, ask you what do we studied. You just answer, okay, what we studied after you watch my video. Okay, it's only 5%. Okay, and then we have 3 projects. It weighs 15%. You may say, why do we do this? Because this course is very hybrid, right? So we have 3 projects. The first project is ahead of our first midterm exam. So in general, the project will, contains the problem in the project will be similar to the problem in our exams. Okay, the first project is associated with our first midterm exam. The second project is associated with our second midterm exam. The third project is associated with our final exam. By this, the 3 projects are very important. It handles the practice problem for our exams. Okay, I hope you understand me. 3 projects are very important for our test. So finally, our exams. We have 3 exams, right? 2 midterm exam. Okay, 1 final exam. Okay, each midterm exam contains 5 problems. It's 1 hour test. It's kind of, 15 minutes for write, 10 minutes for submission. We will use the grid scope. Okay, you can, after I finish this part, I will show you. You can see everything on canvas. Okay, because this is, course is very special. The students are from around the world. Some are in China, some are in European, some are in US. Most of the students are international students. Oh, okay. I will give you, for example, for midterm exam, I will give you 1 hour window of 40 minutes on weekends. Oh, it's kind of, in general, I will give you, the test is 1 hour, but I will give you 2 days. You pick any 1 hour to finish this problem. I hope you understand me. It's a 1 hour test, but you can finish your 1 hour exam during 2 days. But after you open the exam, you can only have 1 hour. You cannot stop. Okay. And then for the final exam, I still give you 2 days, but you find only 2 hours that are free for you and try to finish the final exam. Okay, like what I said before, all the exam problems would be picked up from homework and project, basically from the projects. Okay, project is a problem, sorry. Before that exams, it's kind of the first project is associated with the first midterm exam. The second project is associated with the second midterm exam. The third project is associated with the final exam, like that. First exam will be cover the material from week 1 to week 5. Oh, it's handled by this. Our first midterm exam will be on the weekend of 5th week. Okay, and the second midterm exam will cover the material from week 6 and 11. So it means that the second midterm exam is at is on the weekend of 11th week. Okay, I think after the 12th week is Thanksgiving, right? Kind of before the Thanksgiving, we will have an exam. Okay, the final exam I think it will be 17th December 17th. Okay, So the following exam will cover all materials studied in our course. All exams are closed exam and no calculator, no calculator, okay, can be used in the test. Okay, so because, our course, it's just, it's kind of, it's, very hybrid. It's part of the due time of all exams and homework. Okay, the due time for all exams and homework, you can check the Canvas, just regularly. I will post it. Okay, even now you say, okay, I cannot remember it. You don't have to remember, the times. You just check, the Canvas, and then before any test, or exams, I will send you an email. It's kind of remind you. Okay, so important one, only late submission will not accepted for homework, projects, and exams. Okay, please don't send me an email. Said, okay, oh, I started late because I have some special stuff. No, except you have some yearlies or COVID stuff or some official letter from some place. Okay, you have something to do. You don't have time to finish this homework. Otherwise, I will not accept any submission, late submission. Okay, so means that if you don't have any, official reason, or anyway, I will not accept the late list. Okay, so one thing is about, okay, one thing about, finally, okay, it's about the grade distribution. So it kind of, now we have a kind of schedule. This is, I will follow this to give the final, score. This course has 3 lectures. I think our lecture is so special. I just follow the lecture, what I'm set up. I will not put your score in among all the students who taking this lecture. Okay, so finally it's about the, the schedule of this course. So this is just a draft. Okay, all course material follow my class recording, homework, and a project problem. And also the materials, our course will cover the material from chapter 7 to chapter 13. So for this course, we assume you are familiar with the definition of the integral. If you already forgot it, please just review it by yourself. Our first lecture will be about integration by parts. I will post, the recording maybe tomorrow or sometime later, because the first week we only cover kind of get started and again know what we will study in this course. It's kind of, we just started the material in chapter 7 to chapter 13. Okay, so let's do a summary about this course. So this course is online and asynchronous. Okay, you just watch my video. If you have any questions, send me an email. Okay, you can get this file in Canvas. Office hour will be determined later. About the grading table, just remember we have homework and discussing. This part is kind of easy. You just watch the video and then write it. It's kind of like a load what we studied. Okay. So about the 3 projects, like what I said, 3 projects are very important for your test. And the exam, we have 3 exams, 2 midterm exam, 1 final exam. Okay. And the grade distribution is like this. You can check, during this semester and know which position are you in. Okay. Just, watch it. So about the topic, like what I said, it's a draft. You just watch the video and look at the watch, and also I will upload the lecture notes. You know why when I'm recording this course. Anyway, like what I said, even the textbook is is not necessary. But it's better to have a textbook. Because you can read it carefully. Because I know some students, like reading the textbook. Okay. Anyway, that's our course outline. If you have any questions, please send me an email. This is my email. Okay.